Yeah, we're here today to send off Uncle Allah. Uncle Allah, man, yeah, he was one of those guys, you know, once you're around him, he's, you know, you just feel off his energy. His energy was always good, always high. Yeah, always, the way I remember Uncle Allah is just his smile and just his funny jokes, and you know, it always makes you feel good. Yeah, so we're just here today to pay respects to Uncle Allah and send them off the right way. Just remember the last time I saw him, I was having a beer with him, and yeah, I always remember Uncle Allah that way. The last time I saw him, just the same thing like I was saying, big smile on his face and big heart, and always drinking drinks. Yeah, gonna miss him.
It's better out here.
Yeah.
That's why I came out.
Be careful.
Quick words for Uncle Allah.
Allah, remember all those stories and yeah, everything else, man. Just thanks for the upbringing, eh? Which is a peace, man.
It's the bro Christian.
It's really nice service. Sitting outside was pretty cold, but much better out here in the warm. Yeah, really sad for Uncle. Yeah. What I especially liked about the service is when they said that he spent sort of 30 plus years at the hospital. Really good to see that sort of loyalty. Loyalty is really rare these days. Yeah, I like that. But nah, awesome to see the family as well. Yeah, not that many words. It's quite a sad time.
Such a beautiful service for Uncle Alaya. Such a great man, testament by everybody here today celebrating his life. It's such a beautiful service. So just thinking of Auntie Maiti and all the cousins and just the whole Salatu family, and just wishing everyone strength and peace at this time. But a really beautiful service. Thanks.
Hey, Pagloflea too. Just saying, sending our love and condolences to the Salatu family. It's always good to see you around the family functions. Service and love to the family. Pretty awesome. Very proud of our cousins and the way they spoke. Celebrated their father's life. Thank you. Hey Ruby, say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Say what's your name? Say, what's your name? What's your name? My name is... And I am... How old are you? 5. Where are you from? Where are you from? Nowhere! I thought so. Say hi to the camera. Yeah, for the family, for the fams. Hey, stand up puppy. For the fams and Aussie. What's your name?
My name is Vincent, I'm 8 and I come from Manurewa.
Rewa. Whakalofatu mā kou. Mawhala. Man, we just at Alaia's Mauku. Sad day. Sad day. Longa tō tangata, man. Puke whale tapu. Man, momoko lahi e tō tangata. Sharks. Just, yeah, shocking, eh? Shocking. But, yeah, glad I could be there. Glad I could be there and be a part of the Mauku whakawelahi o Uina to the Manga Whaua. Yeah. Yeah, that was at the Robertson Road Ikalasia Church, Niue Church. Good turnout, lots of people there. The road was packed, church was packed, and got to meet the family, catch up. The usual suspects were there, the Laumua family, but also saw some other family there that I haven't seen in a while. Yeah, so yeah, Alaia, man, a few words, but crack up guy and good heart. And yeah, I didn't wanna take the camera into the funeral service because just out of respect for the family, you know, ask for permission first before you go and start recording. Yeah, so I only just recorded people that you know, I knew they would be comfortable and that I was comfortable with. Didn't want to be intrusive to the family. Yeah, but nah, it was good service. Now I'm just off to go get some food for the family because my kids and my missus didn't come. Hongi lahi e kau, so whanau ke leweki e mga whauhaku, leo atu ki kaina, ki tause. Yep, well, I heard it was short, it was brief, didn't get much footage, but I hope you enjoyed it to the mga whaua i Australia, mo Niue, you know, and other parts of the world that couldn't come and attend. I hope yeah, happy to see what happened at Alaia's birthday, and yeah, condolences again to the family. Okay, ke monuina, to whilewea.